A delicious shrimp filling is prepared and placed on a softened rice paper sheet. It's then folded, seared, steamed, and then left to crisp up. These are then served with a drizzle of chili oil and coriander. I'm going to start with 300 grams of shrimp. Shell and devein this and cut it into small pieces. To flavor this, I'm going to add half a teaspoon of Ajinamoto or Monosodium Glutamate or MSG. This is a flavor enhancer commonly used in cooking to add umami flavor to dishes. This is optional. Next, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of finely minced ginger, 1 tablespoon of sliced red chili, 3 tablespoons of light soya sauce, a quarter cup of spring onion bulbs and stalks, a quarter cup or 1 stick of imitation crab meat. This is mainly used for color. You can leave it out if you wish. A quarter cup of chopped coriander, a quarter cup of chopped mushrooms, and mix this well together. I will be using these small rice paper wraps. These are about 5 inches. Soak the rice paper for about 10 seconds in room temperature water and then remove it and place it on a board. I prefer to use a wooden board. Wipe off the excess water. Place a tablespoon of the filling in the center and start to fold the edges in a circular motion and keep them aside on parchment paper to prevent the rice paper from sticking and tearing. You can work on 2 or more at a time and keep them aside, making sure they are not too close together or they will stick. When they're ready, heat some oil in a non-stick pot and add the Potstickers in. Allow these to cook from the underside for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, add about a quarter cup of water and close the lid and allow the dumplings to steam for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, open the lid and allow the liquid to evaporate and the Potstickers to get nice and golden brown from the underside. Then remove these and keep them aside. To serve, drizzle these with chili oil and sprinkle with coriander before serving. Enjoy.